All right, what up, Blockster? Welcome back to the channel. Another episode of Trending Crypto. I am your host, Ryan Matta. Coin of the day, Avalanche, aka AVAX. Can this coin 2x, 5x, 10x? I definitely think so. Let's dive in. Let's pull it up in the charts. Let's make some price predictions. Let's get it. But before we kick things off, I gotta let you in on a little secret. I may have a plethora of crypto knowledge, but I also have a track record for making some pretty bad decisions. That being said, this guy's not a financial advisor. I would never advise that you buy, sell, trade, or hodl any cryptocurrency. You always have to do your own due diligence and make your own bad decisions. All right, you guys know me. Favorite website to check out is Lunar Crush. Obviously, this is trending crypto, so we're always talking about the most trending coins. So a lot of times that's why you'll see every day I'm pretty much like, this coin's ranked number 3, this coin's ranked number 10. But right now, Avalanche is ranked number 3 out of 2,970 altcoins with a correlation ranking of an 82 and a Galaxy score of a 69.5 out of 100. When I see coins that have a 70 on the Galaxy score, to me, that's like an A- because Lunar Crush is super hard at grading on their Galaxy score. So anytime I see a coin that has 70 to an 80%, that's really good to me. Correlation ranking, 80s are really good as well. Sometimes you'll see them closer to 100, but it's pretty rare. Now the next I like to do is to jump over to CoinMarketCal. CoinMarketCal tracks cryptocurrency's upcoming events. Think of it like your crypto event calendar. We jump over here, we see Wrapped NAV launch on Avalanche, Apricot upgrades, NFT NYC, XCRU integrates AVAX. A lot of times I like this site too because it'll show you guys new coins that are coming out because they have events going on with the bigger name coins like the XCRU. I just packed my bags on that one. NAV coin has been doing some big things. I've seen that coin on a couple different upcoming events as well. But at the end of the day, the charts don't really lie to us. All right, now let's jump over here to TradingView and actually take a look at Avalanche on the charts. So we see Avalanche has already came out and put in a new all-time high. So even at its peak during altcoin season at the most bullish of bullish markets, Avalanche is now up putting in higher highs. And you can see over here it kind of like double topped and got rejected right around that same price point. So if I were to just to draw a line across, the idea is that in theory, if Avalanche can keep running up and even goes up a little bit higher than it is now, when it does retrace, it should find support right around that $60 level, give or take. For that to be proper market structure and maintain formation, I would like to see Avalanche run up and hit a price point roughly around $93. Now, if it tops here and the top is just above the third, according to Elliott Wave and proper market structure, this micro set will be leg 1 in our macro. So what I'm gonna be looking for over the next couple months, probably like 90 days, give or take, is to see us start putting in a little bit higher highs and following a little bit better proper market structure. Proper market structure on Elliott Wave calls for a retrace between the 0.382 and the 0.618. So if we did just hit a top here at 76 and the USA stock markets continue to come down and we have that bearish, September or bearish October that we're kind of all holding out for, sitting on the edge of our seats, I would think that we would see AVAX make a proper retrace and come down between $50 and $42 price range. Now, if the market tanks completely, sure, I think we should find support above $33, but there's no guarantees. But we definitely have this major support right here at about $42. So those would be key areas where I'd be looking for re-entry positions on Avalanche. If I had to make price predictions, parabolic blow off top altcoin season, I'm thinking AVAX right around $142, give or take. As of right this minute on trade setups, if you guys are looking for good entry positions on coins, one of the best ways to do it is to set your RSI up to 30. Come over here, we change our settings to 30, and then we just kind of scroll back in time and we see where is a key level where price has been reversing at a lot for coins like Avalanche. And it seems to be around that 40% level. A lot of times some coins will have them much lower, like you'll see them all the way down here in the lower 30s, and then a lot of times we'll even see them break out below. But we can see that Avalanche, that's not the case. Anytime this coin retraces in the least bit, it seems to find support and blast off. So anytime this coin cools off, we can see last time happened, got right there at about 40% and took off. So when I would be the most bullish and definitely looking to pack my bags, whether that's a swing trade or a day trade, those are the key levels. Anytime I see AVAX hit a RSI levels hit roughly around 39 to 33%, I would probably be trying to pack my bags and take some long positions. Now on that same note, anytime we break above 70, I'd be looking to take some profits out of the market. So if we scroll back here a little bit, I'm not 100% sure why, but AVAX, I mean, it's never really getting super oversold and it's never really being super overbought. This is, wow, this is probably some of the best RSI readings I've actually seen on a coin. It is really stabilizing. Just shows you that this coin's really good. Like, it doesn't seem like any big players are taking any big bags or anybody gets really bearish, and it doesn't seem like they get overly bullish on this coin. It's just slow and steady. A lot of times with like not massive volatility is really good for a coin's performance. And obviously you can see by the market structure, I mean, AVAX has really been performing almost, I would probably say 95% of coins in the game right now. This coin has been continuing. Algo, Avalanche, each one of those coins has already put in a new all-time high from the peak of altcoin season. And we're not even in altcoin season. Bitcoin's not putting in new all-time highs. Ethereum's not putting in all-time highs, but these alt. And that's because these ecosystems are getting so developed right now. Each one of these cryptocurrencies has their own ecosystem. They have coins being built on top of their blockchain. They have dApps being deployed. Everything that gets deployed on top of the founding blockchain pretty much adds value to that cryptocurrency's ecosystem. That leads me to believe coins like Avalanche, they got a lot going for them. Avalanche, Cosmos. I mean, do I think we're going to see Avalanche come down to $41? It's crypto. Anything's possible. But this seems to be one of those coins where it reminds me of Solana. For example, I wanted to get onto Solana at about $50. And I was like, I'm not sure if Bitcoin's going to be pulling back. I'm just going to hold off to see if we're going to get a little bit of a correction, and I'm going to try to get back into Solana. And then next thing I know, it went up to 100. And I seen it doing it again. It came down to 75 and I didn't wait. I jumped right on 75. I said, screw it. If I happen to buy at 75 and it comes down to say 50 or 35 or even goes back down to 22 again for whatever reason, it happens. It's just part of playing the game. I was very confident that Solana is going to be one of those coins 5 years from now that I'm not going to lose money on it. And I think Avalanche is one of those same plays. So if I buy in right now at say $50 or $55, I'm looking to pack my bags and hold this one for the long haul. And I'm trying to get in, and I'm willing to pay a little bit more than I think the coin's worth right now, because I'm afraid that if it runs up, AVAX might run to 150 right now, and then I might not be able to get back into it, or I might not be able to afford to pack my bags, or it might be too overpriced at that point. But I think that a majority of coins that I put on your guys' radar, 5-10 year plays, I think it's going to be very hard for this coin not to continue to grow and grow and grow. Unless some regulation or something comes out and shuts them down, decentralized, I find that hard, but anything's possible. So my price predictions for Avalanche are roughly about $150. And we're just going to kind of play it by ear. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll be constantly putting out videos. So if Avalanche starts trending again in a couple of weeks, you guys might see it back here again, and then I'll do a follow-up video. So if you guys want to check out more of my price predictions, definitely check down below. Blockster will have a playlist with all of my price predictions. I'll be on here Monday through Friday. So if you guys want to stop by the channel, or if there's any specific coins you guys would like me to make price predictions videos on, definitely drop a comment below. Send an email to the Blockster team. Send an email to me. Yeah, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Shout out to the Blockster team. Thank you guys so much for giving me this opportunity. I'm having a blast over here on Blockster, guys. So can't wait for the Blockster to get their live streams up and running, because the second they do, we'll take these live every day. So love you guys. Can't wait to see you guys next video. Peace.